Good morning, everyone. We have made it to the final assembly of 2021 and we are feeling very Christmassy this morning. And it has been a wonderful week of festive fun here at Talbot Heath. And our photos of the week, they have that festive feel about them. And I wanted to start by thanking Holroyd Howe and their team for providing us with wonderful Christmas lunches this week. Can we give Holroyd Howe and all the catering staff who worked so hard to put on such a wonderful feast a huge round of applause? Thank you to the Darkring team. Delicious. Now, we very much enjoyed having our Alpine bar in front of the hub. Here we have some action photos, the hot chocolate and the marshmallows and the Christmas music. It was lovely. So can I say thank you to the sixth formers who served all those hot chocolates at the Alpine bar. Can we give them a round of applause? Thank you, sixth form. Christmas jumper day. Now that raised money for Mission Christmas, but look at Mrs. Stout in those glasses, honestly. But it also raised some smiles. And I think particular mention must go to, I said, oh, look at Mr. Hall with those boots and the Sprouts headbands and his flashing jumper. He did lunch duty in that outfit. It was quite spectacular. But have we got a photo? Have we got a photo of Mr. Gibson? We have. So Mr. Gibson is on the right there, and he sat there like a Santa's little helper at his computer in his office. And every time I walked past, I smiled. It's because I think he was looking so cheerful as a little Santa's helper. So thank you to everyone. And it was brilliant to raise so much money and also very festive feel around school. And I know we're going to have a look later at the junior school who are in their Christmas jumpers. Now, thank you to the sixth formers who organised the Upper Three Christmas party. I think we might have a photograph of that. Have we got something of the Christmas party there? So they organised that and put that on for them. Look at them all there. Brilliant. In action, smiling, happy. So thank you, sixth formers. Can we give them a round of applause? Pin the antler on the reindeer. Thank you. Mrs. Luke looking sparkly and Christmassy as well. And Miss Coates wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who supported the Mission Christmas Appeal. Over 100 gifts and £315 had been raised even before the senior school Mufti Day money has been added to that. So it's likely that we've raised over £600 and over 100 gifts. What an amazing achievement. And Miss Coates said, thank you everyone for your generosity. Mission Christmas are coming this morning to collect the gifts and they will be distributed throughout the community to underprivileged children who otherwise would not be opening presents on Christmas morning. So thank you, whole school community, great team effort. Now, Mrs. Stone and I enjoyed visiting the form rooms, the senior form rooms, and looking at your decorations. And thank you to everyone who decorated their rooms. We loved the sixth form fire that greeted us. We had a fire sparkling. That is the Upper 3 2P. Their windows were amazing from outside. They look wonderful. This is lower for 3P and their Hogwarts, absolutely fantastic. They're handmade, all those posters. They had a sorting hat, they had candles floating in the air. Now this was wonderful. This is Mrs. Wakeley's form and those were all the members of the form as little Santa's helper, and Mrs. Wakeley there is Santa with her helpers, so we thought that was lovely. Thank you very much for that. Now I have to say, if you look closely at this nativity scene, is that Mr. Craddock as the angel? I think, yes, the donkey, I'm the donkey there, and Mrs. Stone's a camel, but I particularly love Mrs. Luke's face as the innkeeper. No room there. So that's Mr. Jules' form's nativity. Thank you for that. That made us smile. Oh, that was the sixth form fire. and that was burning and flickering with lovely music floating through. So that's Mrs. Stone warming her hands at the fire, and we had some super decorations there. So well done. That was one of the form rooms. They'd made a lovely display with baubles and trees. But the winner, and I have to say, it was absolutely amazing, is Lower 43P. Their Hogwarts room was spectacular, and Caitlin and Isla showed us around after school. I had an invisibility cloak on. I wasn't actually invisible, but I was wearing the cloak that they gave me. They gave me a parchment invitation to come and visit their Hogwarts classroom. So if Caitlin and Isla would like to come down and get their prize, we will show you a little bit of video footage of the magic that was Lower 43P's classroom. Let's have a watch. Oh, can we give them a huge round of applause? Well done, Lower 43P. It was amazing. I can see Freya smiling and clapping there. And it has given us the inspiration. I have asked them, I know lots of pupils across the whole school love Harry Potter. And we had planned before the pandemic. Oh, here they are coming in. Let's have a look. Maybe my little helper can pass me the chocolates, please, the Lindor. Right. Here we are. Well done. You did an absolutely brilliant effort. I will distance. Fantastic. Here they are. Come, there's Caitlin and there's Isla, and they're collecting on behalf of Lower. Well done. Take this back to your form. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I have asked them to plan a Hogwarts Harry Potter themed dinner for our pupils in the main hall, and they're going to start doing planning. And if you love Harry Potter and Hogwarts and want to get involved, then I think they'll do a notice at the start of next year and get some help in, and then we're going to decorate and transform our main hall, do it as a fundraising event, and get lots of pupils in. We might do a junior one and a senior one. So thank you, Lower 43P, for that inspiration. Brilliant. Right. Now we are going live to Mrs. Pugh in the junior school. Are you there, Mrs. Pugh?
Hello, good morning everybody. Hello from junior school. So today in junior school, it's our Christmas jumper day, but we've had a fantastic week of events all across the junior school. So last Friday afternoon, we did our carols in the courtyard, which was especially for junior school. So all of pre-prep came outside, and then all of junior school, and we sang to all the parents out in the courtyard, which was fantastic. And the PSS brought mince pies and fruity drinks for everybody, which was lovely. And then this week we kicked off with going to St Mark's Church for our annual Christingle service. So we were delighted to go back there, and every girl in the junior school made a Christingle and was able to take one home. So that was a really lovely afternoon. Then we had our lunch on Tuesday over here. So thank you to the caterers, and I know lots of the staff really enjoyed that. We've also yesterday had our annual Christmas pudding race. So it's a big tradition in junior school to have some races, some seasonal races, and we did our Christmas pudding race. And it's a big secret what we actually do, but there was a lot of fun, and I know the girls loved it when I did a demonstration of how to run around the playground. So we had a fantastic time yesterday afternoon. Despite the rain, we just carried on, so that was brilliant. And I know pre-prep had an amazing Christmas party. They've all been over to the hub and really enjoying themselves in the hub, and they were all dressed up yesterday in their finery, which was fantastic. And today or the junior school, they're having their Christmas parties. I know there's lots of slumber parties going on. I've seen lots of slippers, lots of duvets, lots of pillows, and I know people are really looking forward to lots to eat and lazing about today in their classrooms. So we've had a really fantastic week. We obviously supported Mission Christmas. I know loads of junior school and pre-prep have brought in presents, so thank you very much. But we're doing our Christmas jumper day for Save the Children, and we had our assemblies yesterday about Save the Children. And I think what we're going to do now, in a moment, we're going to go to the junior classrooms. But before we do that, I just wanted to say a really, really happy Christmas to everybody, especially all our colleagues in senior school who helped so much over here. And we're not able to get together as we would hope to at the moment, but thank you all for everything you do for junior school, and wish everyone a lovely Christmas and look forward to seeing you in January. So now I believe we're going to go over so that you can all see all the juniors, and all the junior classes are going to be unmuted, and everyone's going to stand up in their Christmas jumpers, and on the count of 3 from your teachers, you're all going to shout Merry Christmas. All right, are you ready? Let's try. Here we go, everybody. Are we all there? 1, 2, 3. I can hear lots of shouting and screaming. That's brilliant. Waving, everybody in junior school. Thank you. Happy Christmas, everyone.
Oh, big wave to all our juniors and pre-prep and everybody. Thank you, Mrs. Pugh. That was lovely. Now, I have some congratulations to say this morning. We start by congratulating our upper 3 readers. They have been raising funds for Read for Good. I can hear them cheering above me. By sponsored reading, and upper 3P, they won a special reading chart. They read 34 books in 1 week. I can hear them cheering. But Mrs. Boynton says, well done to all of her upper 3 readers. Keep reading over the holidays. Happy reading from her. And thank you for all the sponsorship money you have raised for Read for Good. And I think Talbot Heath has raised over £20,000 since I've been head teacher here at Talbot Heath, just through Read for Good, which is phenomenal. Now, I'm going to go on to congratulate our Swimming Academy members. So, Talbot Heath swimmers, they have flocked in all directions festively for very fast Christmas performances. The Talbot Heath Swimming Academy Pool Swimming Club swimmers, they competed far and wide last weekend. Catherine Eland headed north to compete in the Swim England Winter National Championships. Betsy, Lottie, Scarlett, Bertie and Bea headed east to compete in the Portsmouth North Sea Christmas Open, and Blossom, Katie, Yasmin and Isla headed west to compete in the Swim West Dorset Open meet. The National Winter Finals, this was the first national competition to be hosted since 2019. It was a senior and junior competition. Olympic stars were swimming, and Catherine had only just crossed the age range. She'd qualified in a range of events, and she swam between Friday and Sunday. She earned personal best times in the 50 meters, the 100 meters free, 50 and 100 meters fly. She just missed it on the 50 meters back and 100 meters. She finished 13th in the 100 meters fly. With her determination, she thought she was going to go for it. She qualified for the senior final in 50 meters. She finished 9th in the final. Amazing. She's competing as a senior athlete against Olympic swimmers, and she came 9th. So absolutely brilliant. And then at the Portsea meet, the 5 swimmers from the Talbot Heath Academy all came away with personal best times, top 10 finishes, and a fantastic medal haul. Leading the charge, Bertie came up. She won gold in all 5 of her races. She earned personal bests. Betsy was on fine form. She collected 4 golds and a silver. Lottie made the podium 5 times. Gold, silver, bronze. Scarlett finished 4th in 400 metre free, 200 metre free. And B earned a personal best time in each of her 6 races, making the top 10 in every event. At the Swim Dorset Christmas meet, Yasmin, Katie, Isla and Blossom, they competed in the West Dorset meet. Katie racked up 5 personal bests, 7 medals, 5 golds. Blossom earned personal bests in all 6 of her races. She got a gold, a silver and a double bronze. Yasmin and Isla competed really impressively. Yasmin in 8, huge big beaming smile. Yasmin set her first Swim England official top benchmark time, top 10 twice. Isla, great determination, set her first official Swim England time, top 10 twice. Well done, Swimming Academy swimmers. You have absolutely smashed it this term. Can we give all our Swimming Academy swimmers a huge round of applause? Well done. Brilliant swimming. Right, we now move on to our Christmas cake decorating competition. It was wonderful to see all the cakes in the entrance to the hub. Let's have a look at the entries. Oh, can we give them all a round of applause? Well done, everyone who entered. And we have some winners now. So our senior school winners. We have in 3rd place a group entry from Eleanor Walker, Daisy Warren, Amber Betts and Miriam Crowther Youths from upper 3. 2nd place was Ella Reese in lower 4. But 1st place with her fantastic festive log with 44% of the votes, it's Alex Sherwin. Congratulations to our senior cake makers. Well done to you. And in junior school, joint 3rd place, Evangeline Godfrey and Nadine Mohammed from year 5 and year 6 respectively. 2nd place, Alice Taylor in year 6. But 1st place for her penguin cake, it's Molly Edwards in year 5. Can we congratulate all of our cake makers? Well done. Thank you, Mrs. Moran, for overseeing this. Now we have the much coveted Pets at Christmas photography competition. And after a slow start for entries, you absolutely started dressing those pets up. Let's have a look at the montage.
I've had a little makeover and I'm all dressed up tonight.
everyone who entered. That rabbit in the manger, the tortoise Christmas pudding, so much creativity there. Thank you to Mr. Kirtland for judging, Tommy Kirtland for judging, for Megan for editing the entries. I definitely feel as a fundraising calendar in this. Now, unfortunately, as you know, we were unable to hold our Amnesty concert this year. However, as it's the last assembly, we thought we'd like to play a festive music video from the 1990s, but you might recognize some of the people in this video. Let's have a watch.
Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this. Don't you say it's the final kiss. Won't you stay another day? Don't you know we've come too far now just to go and try to throw it all away? Thought I heard you say you love me, that your love was gonna be here to stay. I've only just begun to know you. All I can say is won't you stay just one more day? Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this. Don't you say it's the final kiss. Won't you stay another day? I touch your face while you are sleeping and hold your hand. Don't understand what's going on. Good times we had return to haunt me. Though it's for you, all that I do seems to be wrong. Baby, if you got to go away, don't think I could take the pain. Won't you stay another day? Oh, don't leave me alone like this. Don't you say it's the final
me, that is the Christmas #1. Step aside, Elton and Ed Sheeran. That's going straight to the top of the charts, I think. And thank you to Lizzie Alford. A lot of design involved there. You could see they've been pushing them around on the green screen disc. Good thinking, DT. Now, our final notice this morning is a very exciting one. I know we're anticipating the arrival of baby Jesus, but we've got our very own baby here. It's Mrs. Linden gave birth in the night to baby Rue Esme Linden at £8 8 ounces. Perfect timing for that Christmas photo and bauble. We are sending all our very best wishes to Mrs. Linden and to baby Rue, and have a fantastic Christmas with your family. Can we give her a round of applause? Well done. £8 8 ounces. That deserves a round of applause. So we look forward to our senior carol service this afternoon, which we will live stream out to pupils, staff, governors, parents and alumni. We're going global. I think we've got South Africa joining us. And it wouldn't be final Christmas assembly without him. Is he there? Are you there, Reverend Burke?
Indeed I am, but I'm not going to sing it, I'm afraid. I'm just going to say our prayer. I know when I can't compete. So we pray for festivities and fun. We thank you, O God. For families and friends, especially today, thinking of baby Rue Esme, we thank you, O God. For freedom to be ourselves, we thank you, O God. For being able to use our talents and generosity to bring smiles and light to others, we thank you, O God. Amen.
Amen. Have a fantastic last day and a very happy Christmas, everyone. Bye.